And new tonight, the Pennsylvania Attorney General's office announcing seizures of hundreds of illegal gambling devices from multiple establishments throughout western Pennsylvania. Our Philip Ward joins us now. So Philip, did any of the seizures happen in our area?
Well, Mike, in the release from Pennsylvania Attorney General Dave Sunday, the series of seizures took place in March at bars, gas stations, and convenience stores, including right here in Erie County. And tonight, Pennsylvania House Gaming Oversight Committee Chairman Pat Harkins is reacting to the news and explains the impact this may have on our area. In a new release, the Pennsylvania Attorney General Dave Sunday announcing the seizures of over 400 illegal gambling devices throughout the Commonwealth, including some machines from right here in Erie County.
And it ties in other things with money laundering, with drug usage. I even get calls about people in the middle of the night rolling dice.
The AG said in part, quote, "These devices were essentially slot machines dressed up as skill games. I commend our partners at the Pennsylvania State Police for helping disband a large-scale operation that netted a tremendous amount of illegal gambling profits."
And it's not just Erie. It's all over 67 counties in Pennsylvania. In the bigger cities, you have bigger problems, but people hear about money being transported. There's all kinds of nefarious things that can happen with these, and it is happening, sadly, and hopefully we can catch this before it turns into something more problematic.
Pennsylvania House Gaming Oversight Committee Chairman Pat Harkins applauded the efforts by the Attorney General and said the move is one that highlights the danger that skill games can bring with them.
Especially in the poorer areas where they're preying on poor people who don't have much to begin with, but they're hitting people up, from left and right, and we hear from constituents constantly that they want some regulation on these things. And it's not just Erie, it's all over 67 counties in Pennsylvania.
And Harkins said while the House and Senate look to find a solution on regulating the games, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court also has the issue sitting before them.
We can make any decision we want to in the legislature, but if the Supreme Court decides that that's wrong or that they have a different opinion, that's the law of the land, and we would have to respect that.
And Mike, the Attorney General's office filed felony corrupt organizations charges against two companies, Buffalo Skill Games, Inc. and JJ Amusement, Inc. Both are owned and operated by John F. Conley, who has prior federal convictions for illegal gambling, a story that we will continue to follow as it develops. Live in the studio, Philip Ward, Erie News Now.